If you have small kitchen, small space, no pantry, no problem, you can see how I have organized my kitchen so that you might get some ideas to organize yours. Number 1, I have used magnetic shelf over the stove. I'll show you how to fix it. It's very simple. It has magnets at the back. You should just place it correctly over the stove. Clean the space and keep it over it. Small kitchen, big space, small space doesn't matter. The only that matters that every moment how you live with love, joy and laughter. So it is in our hands to turn a house into a home. It sits perfectly over it, and it's very useful to keep the spice bottles. Number 2 is spice bottles. These bottles I bought from dollar store. It's $1 each and it looks so cute. I fill all my spices in it so that it's quite handy for me while cooking. This is just part 1 of my kitchen organization. After I complete the whole kitchen, I'll be posting my second part. I love this, it's so cute. Number 3 is foil backsplash. It's very useful if you don't have a backsplash. It's just $1 from the dollar store and it helps to keep my kitchen clean. As I cook a lot, if any oil or any food splashes, you can clean it easily. You can see how I'm putting it. It's just like a wallpaper without air bubbles. We have to stick it on the wall, and I did it with great difficulty because I couldn't remove the stove, but anyway I have done, and it looks good too. So you can also try it if you don't have a backsplash, and it also helps to keep the kitchen clean. You can also put it behind the trash can if the trash can is near a wall, so the wall doesn't become dirty. So this is a good idea to keep the wall clean behind the trash can. I have put on both the sides of the stove so that the wall doesn't get dirty. We can change it and remove it easily whenever we want to. Wow, see how my backsplash looks now. So now I'm rearranging my spice bottles. So these are the spices that I use most every day. So between the refrigerator and stove there was no shelf, so I have put a shelf there. Number 4 is Lazy Susan. I keep my spice bottles in it. I bought this from IKEA and dollar store. So it's very handy. I keep chili powder, pepper powder, salt, turmeric powder in it. Number 5 is storage baskets. I bought this colorful beautiful baskets from dollar store. I use these baskets in the shelf to keep my pantry stuff. I can just pull out and take the masalas, lentils, whatever I want in an easy way so that I don't need to go in and dig in. I use different kinds of oils, so this basket is very useful to keep all these oil bottles, and also handheld mixie, and also this cute pink ice pack from dollar store. Cold compressor is very useful. Number 6 is magnetic round containers. I have put my dry spices in it. Number 7 is push light. It's very useful. Any place where there is no light, you can put it, and it doesn't come with battery, so we need to put battery. We need to peel it and stick it, and we can just turn it if you want to change a battery. And it's very useful for my mom in the night time. Before getting to the switch, she can just switch it on by just pressing it. Number 8 is kitchen cart. You can use this to organize if you don't have much space, to keep your appliances, or to use it as cutting board. I use the drawer for scissors and knives, and I've used the other shelves for keeping my bottles and my vegetables like onions and potatoes and garlic, and also to keep the food containers. And I got this popcorn container from the dollar store, 2 for $1. So this cart is very useful for the less space. As I don't have a separate pantry, so I use this beautiful baskets to store my pantry stuff like cans and other stuffs in it, and I use the Tastiest Choice bottles to store. And also number 9 is the containers set that I use. It's very useful to store my dry stuffs. And also I use this organizer, shelf organizer, to store some of the bottles. Number 11 is command hooks. It's very useful to hang things around the kitchen like mittens and stuffs. Number 12 is Valentine's basket that I got from dollar store to store my Norwex products, kitchen products, so I can use it. This shelf, I've used baskets and a shelf organizer. And 13 is bowl stand, so I can keep the bowls in the stand. So it's a nice way to organize. And also I have got this shelf organizer so that I can arrange the cups. These are all daily usable cups. And then the step non-skid organizer to keep the glasses that I use every day. So it's very handy to use them. These organizers help me to see everything. 15 is silicone cover or lids. It's very useful to cover any shape and size dishes, and it comes with different sizes too. It's very useful. I hope all these 15 was very useful to you all too. So thank you and see you soon.